What's up, you guys? It's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with more review Mondays. So what I have for you guys today is another addition to my car. Like I said in previous videos, I do drive a Camry 2020 XSE, so it is another addition to that type of model of a car, but it also fits for 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021 because the model of this car does have the same shape. So I'll put the link in the description below for the Amazon's website, and then also definitely do your research just in case there are some slight differences or if you need more information as to how to apply this to your car. But it's very straightforward, and the thing is, what I like about this one specifically is there are different type of Amazon, web or links that show you for this type of model, but the one I'm going to show you is the one that comes separately with the 3M tape. So I had to apply this to the back of my car itself. It's very easy, very straightforward, and the reason why I bought it separate like that is because I do like having this 3M tape just in case I need it for something else, and I didn't want to go to the store and just buy it separately because that would cost a little more. So we're trying to be a little efficient here during these times, But yeah, so it's going to be very straightforward. As you can see, I put it alongside both sides and then the long one and then also on this side. So all we're going to do is just apply it with a decent amount of force on it, and then we'll see the before and after of what the car looks like without this rear view spoiler. So, let's get straight into it. Alright, as you can see, just going to use some alcohol, clean the top part over here. And then we're just going to take out the 3M tape, and then we're just going to push it on. Should be pretty easy. Hi, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out the YouTube channel. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. It puts out my channel out there, and it also helps you find videos that you would like to see more of. And I'm also hoping you guys thought it was pretty straightforward, and at least you guys get to see the before and after of what this product looks like on the car. And also please follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Too Fast for you. It really does help out with the following and increases the page. But it is your boy Justin Too Fast for you, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.